Step 1. We're going to go to Google and type in Vbox Oracle download. Go under Downloads Oracle VM VirtualBox. And under the platform packages, we're going to do Windows hosts. And it's going to download it right here. Let's click on it to install. We can go through the installation process. It gives us a warning that installing this will temporarily disable our network interface. I'm using remote desktop right now to get into this computer, so I might lose connection. We'll see what happens. And I did not lose connection to the computer that I'm already being into, and it looks good. So as you can see, I've already got a couple VMs in here, but you probably won't have any if this is the first time you're using it. But we can go ahead and create a new virtual machine. So all we got to do is click on New, and we'll type in the name of the virtual machine. We'll do Super Ubuntu Bros. Type is Linux, and the version we're going to be using Ubuntu 64. And as you can see, VirtualBox already has all of these operating systems that you can pick from. So let's go hit next, and we can do recommended memory size. 1 GB should be enough for a virtual machine, as we're not doing anything on it except for spinning it up. And I'm going to add 10 GB to the virtual hard disk that will be created now as we can use a VDI or a VHD, and we'll just do the standard. We can dynamically allocate it, and 10 GB, create. And let's go ahead and start this virtual machine. And for the startup disk, it will ask for an Ubuntu ISO file. So we can go under Google and type in Ubuntu download. And let's go to download Ubuntu desktop. The LTS is a long-term support package for Ubuntu, but we're not going to be using this. Let's just go ahead and use the standard package. When you hit download, it's going to automatically download it for you. I'm going to hit cancel because I already have it downloaded. When we go back into our VM setup, we can go add, go under downloads, and add this ISO for the Ubuntu that we downloaded. Now we can hit choose and hit start. Our VirtualBox is going to bring us right here to the boot menu where we're going to do just Ubuntu. Alright, so now we can go through the installation. We can try it or we can install it. But let's go ahead and do a full-on install. We'll pick English US, pick whichever keyboard you'd like, and we're going to go through just the normal installation, and we'll select download updates. That's fine. We can go ahead with the default option again and go install. It'll ask where I am. Vancouver is fine. That's not where I am, but it's going to ask me for a name. My name is Super Linux Bros. The username can be Super Bro. The password can be Mario. And it's giving me a short password, so Mario exclamation mark. Weak password, that's fine. Alright, so our installation is finally complete, and we can go ahead and restart our virtual machine. Alright, so here we are. We can go ahead and sign into our Linux virtual machine. And beautiful, just like this, we're in. And something that I've noticed to my surprise, I made another video doing this exact same thing, except on VMware instead of VirtualBox, and I had this crazy mouse stutter that I couldn't figure out how to fix. But now that I'm using VirtualBox by Oracle, I don't have the mouse stutter. So there could be some compatibility issues with using RDP and VMware, that there aren't any compatibility issues using RDP and VirtualBox, which is kind of weird. Maybe it's just my computer, maybe it's just me, but this lab went really well, really smooth. Everything seems to be working great, and I would like to thank you all for watching, and I'm going to be making more Linux videos in the future, so let me know in the comments below what kind of videos you would like me to be making about Linux. So, see you guys in the next video.